Hey folks, a little bit different video for you today. I'm super excited. I got a message from YouTube the other day letting me know that I can now offer memberships on the Painfully Honest Tech channel. I'm psyched about this because it gives me the chance to create more unique content for folks who want just a little bit more out of their painfully honest experience, with some perks like badges and emojis that each new member will get access to. I mean, the badges will show how long you've supported the channel, and they'll be on your comments and they'll be on your live chat stuff. The emojis are something that members can use to express themselves a little bit differently in chat. Now, I know there are a lot of folks out there that will not be able to take advantage of the membership option here, and that's totally fine. For whatever reason, it is not required whatsoever. If you are not a member of the channel, you will still get the Painfully Honest Tech experience that you've always been getting. But if you do become a member, beyond badges and emojis, member perks include stuff like the ability to submit questions to the Can You Trust Painfully Honest Tech show, exclusive behind the scenes and vlog style videos where I'm going to share how I live the Painfully Honest Tech life inside the studio here and out. And there's the opportunity to be part of members only live streams, and there's a bunch more stuff. This is a chance for me to give a little something extra. I don't say it enough, but I'm super humbled that I'm able to even just do this, make these YouTube videos, and that I've been able to be as successful as I have. I'm honored that you folks spend some of your day with me. As the channel has grown, it's been more and more difficult to maintain the community feel that it had when it was smaller, and I'm hoping that memberships and the perks and the connections that we can make will go a long way to bringing that feeling back. Since I left my day job, you've likely seen a few sponsored ad reads and stuff, and that stuff will continue. I just don't want to have to go overboard with it. You have to bring in money in a bunch of different ways with YouTube in order to be able to stay afloat, and memberships will help me keep the sponsored stuff at the appropriate level. Let's say memberships will help me quite a bit in doing that, and honestly, that's what I want. There are 3 levels of membership. There's Wizard Squad, Painfully Honest member, and So Honest It Hurts member. Each of these offers more and more opportunities to get engaged with the channel as you go up the line. It doesn't matter what level you come in at. Anything that you can do, any support that you can give is super, super appreciated. Now, if you look down there by the subscribe button, that's where the join button is. If you click the join button, it'll take you to a place where you can learn all about all the different levels and perks and the things that you can get for all that stuff. Please, if you're at all curious, it doesn't lock you into anything. If you're at all curious, just go ahead and click that join button to learn more about what I'm offering as perks at the different levels, and you'll learn everything that you need to know about whether or not membership is right for you. I'm super psyched to be able to offer this stuff, and I hope it's something that you guys will be into as well. You folks have helped me get this far, and I'll be forever grateful for that. Let's start phase whatever of Painfully Honest Tech together as well. Please consider clicking that join button, and let's share the journey to 250K, to 500K, to a time when all cell phones are everything that everyone wants them to be. Thanks so much for considering it. I really do appreciate it. I mean, you know who I am. I'm Jason. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. And until the next time, I'm out.